If you've ever wanted to install extensions, themes, or tools for Chrome, the first thing you need to know is how to access the Chrome Web Store. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to get there, step by step. This is a simple process, but if you've never done it before, it can be confusing to find the right menu. So stay with me, and by the end you'll know how to open the Chrome Web Store in just a few clicks. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure you're using the Chrome browser, since the web store is built directly into it. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the window. You'll see the 3 vertical dots icon. This is the main menu button for Chrome, and it gives you access to a lot of browser settings and tools. Click on those 3 dots to open the menu. After the menu appears, hover your mouse over Extensions. When you do that, a submenu will open on the side. This submenu is where Chrome keeps extension-related options and shortcuts. At the bottom of that submenu, you'll see an option that says Visit Chrome Web Store. Click that option, and Chrome will take you directly to the Chrome Web Store page. From there, you can browse extensions, search for new tools, and install the ones you want to use. That's all there is to it. You now know how to access the Chrome Web Store quickly and easily. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful videos, and I'll see you in the next one.